Hey everybody, it's NCP. I gotta clean the chicken coop again, and normally I use the pressure washer electric one that you've seen. It's a 1750 or something from Harbor Freight, electric one. It just doesn't seem to really cut it. It doesn't seem to have much more power than the regular, little brass nozzle thing you twist to squirt water on your hose. So, in lieu of that nozzle, I think I found an easier way. Well, it's definitely an easier way, more powerful way. Normally I wouldn't have bought this. This has got a lot of use, but it's going to take a lot of storage. And basically, the goal here is to clean the chicken coop, because I have it on cement and the run's in dirt, so just blow it off in the grass. But this one I can use on full power, and the other one wouldn't cut it, which I guess the 1751 psi allegedly. People online are showing that's only putting out about 800 psi. So, I mean, that's a lot better than my house pressure is like 70, so there's that. But this one, I'll be able to do better trenching with. I'm gonna put some coax out for some antennas and run across the property, so I'm gonna trench that. And some cables, I'm gonna run some cameras, and that's another story. But I'm gonna do trenching with it. And this one, you use the red tip. I think they call it the pencil hair. I don't know. I call it the water lightsaber. But I was on Temu this morning and I saw a thing where you can actually add sand to it after the nozzle. It's a little sand attachment that you can sandblast with water pressure. So I thought that'd be cool for $20. So I'm gonna pick that up. I'll do a review when I get that. It doesn't go through your pressure washer at all. But we'll try this one here at 3200 psi. And 2.8 gallons a minute. I hope my water does that. It should do that. I don't know. I could check, but I'm not gonna. The only thing I know about this is you don't let it stall for a while where you're not using, because the water gets hot in the pump and can damage things. So you don't want to go more than 2 minutes with it running without hitting the trigger on it to squirt more water. But I'm gonna clean the chicken coop with this one, and like I said, with this pressure here. This is the second model, I think. I think the industrial one's like 4,000 units. I didn't see a big deal for that much for me. It would like triple the cost almost. This was about $399 or something. And that was $899 for another 400 psi or 800 psi, which I'm a home user. I don't have a use for that. But this one will be able to do that, everything I need, and then some. And I think with the pencil one, the red tip, the straight beam, I believe I'll be able to do some edging with it, where the grass has gone through the fence and stuff, where the chickens don't get it. I can just squirt this and cut the grass instead of edging it and weed whacking it and such. But we'll see. But let me get this thing put together and I'll take a look at it. Alright. Yeah, I'm not going to do an unboxing video, but this is it. It's unboxed. Haha. So, yeah, it's real simple. It comes like this. Back up here. It comes like that. All folded. Comes to your toolkit here. Or your accessories. Whatever. I mean, it's a pressure washer. This is where your hose goes in. It's got a screen. This is where it comes out. This is probably your soap thing. Yeah, it's your soap thing. And then you just unscrew this. And it should lift up. Okay, it goes the other way. I thought I'd just do it here in the wife's truck because I realized how much easier that would be. Oh, sorry. How much easier it'd be if I didn't have to carry it. So, just put this down real quick. Yeah, that just comes apart there. It separates on its own, or it did. And then you just tighten it up and set it wherever you want it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And I'll get it together and see if it starts, I guess. But I guess it has oil. You can put oil on either side. Over there. And over there. You know the dipstick's going to be on the other side, right? Ooh, that's tight. Yeah, you knew that. I knew that. I wonder if we could switch them. Probably not. I ain't gonna do that. Alright, anyway. Let me get this thing all put together and we'll see if it works. So I'm filling this thing up, and this is kind of a neat funnel. Never saw one that actually had threads in it. But let me get this on there and I'll show you how that works real quick. Well, it just screws in there again. You know. Oh, somehow it takes 2 hands, but let me get that on there and let me fill it up and cap it off and we'll be back. Alright, you probably can't hear me, but I made short work of the chicken coop.